So what the parathyroid gland, you've encountered this in the head and neck, embedded in the capsule of the thyroid. This just shows you the relationships which are important when you do surgeries on thyroid organs. You might damage this branch of the vagus nerve. And the endocrinologist will lecture to you on its functions. So it's just my name for that, if it helps. Okay, so this is a older specimen, meaning in the passage of time, more fat will accumulate inside that parathyroid gland. So that's the feature. It's a glandular tissue, very compact, no cavities, no lumens, just cells and fat, in older specimens. And we have a distinction now of a very glandular looking tissue. So most of it, the cells that you see here are hormone producing, and some are very pink in appearance, which do not produce hormones anymore or have not ever produced hormones, but they accumulate over time. The so-called oxyphil cells, not to be confused with another cell in the gastrointestinal tract. Okay, so description is a very generic description of a gland tissue under the microscope. Small, with round central nuclei. Pale eosinophilic, meaning it's pink to almost clear in certain specimens. Very much like the thyrotropes in the brain, in the pituitary gland, since their hormones are so potent that they should not be produced in excess, or else you'll have problems with your metabolism, this time with calcium. So it produces parathyroid hormone, of course, because it's in the parathyroid gland. And these are the oxyphil cells, which occur in clumps and are darker pink in appearance, which means they have a lot of mitochondria despite not doing anything. They do not secrete anything, and they increase in age.